vanilla bean, orange creamsicle and mango cheesecake. I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Vanilla bean cheesecake. Prep time 25 minutes. Cook time 1 hr 10 minutes. Cooling time 3 hrs. Total time 1 hr 35 minutes. This dense and creamy New York cheesecake is bursting with fragrant vanilla in every delicious layer. Rich cream cheese cheesecake filling is speckled throughout with sweet vanilla bean flakes, nestled into a butter-wide crisp vanilla wafer crust, and topped with vanilla-infused whipped cream. A perfect make-ahead dessert to share with the ones you love. Course, dessert. Cuisine, American. Servings, 10 servings. Calories, 591 kcal. Ingredients. For the vanilla wafer crust: 2 cups vanilla wafer cookies, about 40 regular-sized cookies. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. For the vanilla bean cheesecake filling: 24 ounces cream cheese, 3 8-ounce bricks, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 3 tablespoons cornstarch. 4 large eggs. 1 egg yolk. 1/4 cup heavy cream. 1 tablespoon vanilla bean paste. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the vanilla bean whipped cream: 1/2 cup heavy cream. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla bean paste. Instructions. To make the vanilla wafer crust: 1. Mist an 8-inch diameter by 3-inch high round cake pan with pan cooking spray and line with the circle cut from parchment paper. 2. Place the cookies in the bowl of a food processor and process until fine. 3. Drizzle in the melted butter and toss together until combined. 4. Press the mixture into the bottom of the prepared pan. To make the vanilla bean cheesecake filling: 1. Preheat the oven to 480 degrees F. 2. Place the cream cheese, sugar, and cornstarch in a large mixing bowl and mix on medium-low speed until smooth. 3. Add the eggs, one at a time, scraping the bottom and sides of the bowl with a silicone spatula after each addition. 4. Add the cream, vanilla bean paste, and vanilla extract, and stir to combine. 5. Pour the batter over the crust, and wrap sharply on the counter a few times to release any air bubbles. 6. Place the cake pan in a larger baking dish and pour very hot water 3/4 of the way up the sides of the pan. 7. Bake the cheesecake for 15 minutes. Then lower the oven temperature to 380 degrees F and bake for an additional 70–80 minutes, or until the cheesecake is set around the edges but still slightly jiggly toward the center. 8. Turn off the oven, leave the door slightly ajar, and allow the cheesecake to cool for 1 hour. 9. Remove the cheesecake from the oven and cool completely at room temperature. 10. Chill in the refrigerator until ready to serve, then flip the cheesecake out of the pan and invert onto a serving plate. 11. Garnish with whipped cream, slice, serve. To make the vanilla bean whipped cream: 1. Place the heavy cream in a medium mixing bowl and whip on high speed until just beginning to thicken. 2. Sprinkle in the sugar, gradually, while continuing to whip. 3. When the whipped cream holds soft peaks, whip in the vanilla bean paste. 4. Transfer the mixture to a piping bag fitted with a 1/8 tip. 5. Pipe whipped cream around the outside edge of the cheesecake. Nutrition facts. Amount per serving. Calories: 591 calories from fat, 378%. Daily value: fat 42 g 65%. Saturated fat 23 g 144%. Cholesterol 202 mg 67%. Sodium 340 mg 15%. Potassium 150 mg 4%. Carbohydrates 45 g 15%. Sugar 32 g 36%. Protein 7 g 14%. Vitamin 1505 at 30%. Calcium 92 mg 9%. Iron 0.6 milligrams. Orange Creamsicle Cheesecake. Combining creamsicle and cheesecake is actually a pretty good idea, as it turns out. This beauty also has orange thrown into the mix, and makes the perfect dessert for a hot summer day. The orange gives it a refreshing zing, and the smooth, creamy cheese melts in your mouth. Vanilla cookies make up the crust, and creamsicle flavors finish it all off. If you are a fan of creamsicles, you are going to want to make the snow-baked orange creamsicle cheesecake this summer. You will find a delicious vanilla cookie crust with layers of orange creamy cheesecake filling. Perfect for summer picnics and BBQs. This snow-baked orange creamsicle cheesecake will be made many of times in my kitchen this spring and summer. As you can see from the pictures, it looks light and dreamy and so impressive, sort of like a creamsicle bar. Since my family loves creamsicle bars, I knew they would enjoy this amazing dessert. I love my vanilla pie crust recipe. I use it more often than a graham cracker crust now because it adds such a great flavor to pies. Since a creamsicle has a hint of vanilla flavoring, I decided on a vanilla crust for this cheesecake. I couldn't have chose a better crust. Ingredients: 11 ounces vanilla wafer cookies, 1 1/2 cup sugar, divided, 4 tablespoons melted butter, 16 ounces cream cheese, softened, 16 ounces heavy cream, 1 3.3 ounces box orange gelatin, 1 cup boiling water, zest from 1 orange, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup powdered sugar. Directions: put vanilla wafers in food processor and pulse until finely chopped. Add 3/4 cup sugar and melted butter and pulse to incorporate. Grease bottom and sides of 9A cubed spring-form pan. Press mixture into bottom and slightly up sides of pan. Place in freezer for 30 minutes. Beat cream cheese and remaining sugar until smooth. In a medium bowl, combine gelatin and boiling water. Whisk until dissolved. Set aside. Zest orange and set aside. Whip heavy cream, powdered sugar and vanilla until stiff peaks form. Add 1/2 of whipped cream mixture to cooled gelatin and add orange zest. Whisk to blend. Set aside. Fold remainder of whipped cream mixture into cream cheese mixture. Spread 1/2 cream cheese mixture over crust. Pour 2 cups of orange whipped cream mixture over cream cheese mixture. Gently spread remaining cream cheese mixture over orange mixture. Pour remaining orange whipped cream mixture over plain cream cheese mixture. If desired, take a butter knife and gently glide through cream cheese layers to swirl. Refrigerate for at least 6 hours. Mango cheesecake. Most people do not stray much further than fruit salad or sorbet when using mango in their desserts. But, this mango cheesecake is worth taking a chance on. The texture is a little different with this one, as the cheesecake is more like mousse than traditional filling. And the mango fruit gives it a fresh feel. A fruity, no-bake cheesecake option, this mango cheesecake is a wild card. This no-bake mango cheesecake is a complete and utter celebration of summer. A creamy mousse-like cheesecake loaded with 3 big mangoes and is surprisingly straightforward to make with your food processor. I think you'll find that this mango cheesecake recipe has a wee bit more mango in it than others, because I was determined that it be appropriately mangoey, rather than just a yellow cheesecake with the mango fragrance. This is made almost entirely in a food processor. I'd like to say in one go, but number. Biscuit base blitzed first, then the mangoes, then throw the other filling ingredients in, blitz and pour. Because this is no baked mango cheesecake, it's made with gelatin to set the filling. I use powdered gelatin because it's readily available at supermarkets, baking aisle, as opposed to gelatin sheets. Also, the setting strength of gelatin powder in different countries is very similar, whereas I've seen inconsistencies with gelatin sheets. There is no need to fear using gelatin powder. Follow the recipe steps exactly, and the key part is to sprinkle the gelatin powder over the surface of a bowl of water, rather than dumping in spoonfuls, which will result in clumps. And don't stress even if you end up with clumps. I did in my first attempt and it still worked out fine. Read the recipe notes for how to deal with this. I promised that the snow-baked mango cheesecake had a soft mousse-like filling. I decorated this with cream, more mangoes and passion fruit for no reason other than to make it look pretty. The cheesecake is fabulous as it is without these toppings. The first time I made it, I just piled on chopped mangoes and it was delicious, but it was very orange, as you can imagine. The cream breaks up all that orangeness. It's always welcomed in any dessert, and provides a soft cloud to pile up plenty more fresh mango and drizzle over passion fruit pulp, if you should choose. A celebration of summer. A creamy mousse-like very mango-y filling on a biscuit base topped with a beautiful mango jelly, piles of whipped cream, more mango and passion fruit. Toppings are optional. Ingredients. Base. 150 grams, 5 ounces are Nutsmer biscuits, 17 crackers, or digestives, graham crackers or other plain sweet biscuit. 100 grams, 3.5 ounces unsalted butter, melted. 2 tablespoons white sugar. Mango. 700 grams, 1.4 pounds mango flesh, 2 large mangoes. Note 1. Filling. 4 1/2 teaspoons gelatin powder. Note 2. 1/2 cup, 125 milliliters cold tap water. 500 grams, 1 pound Philadelphia cream cheese, softened, 2 blocks. 2/3 cup, 150 grams caster sugar, superfine white sugar. 300 milliliters, 10 ounces whipping cream. Mango jelly. 3/4 teaspoon gelatin powder. Note 2. 1/4 cup, 65 milliliters cold tap water. 300 milliliters, 10 ounces whipping cream. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Toppings, optional. 1 tablespoon white sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 large mango, cut into cubes. 2 passion fruit. Instructions. Cake pan. 1. Use a 22 cm 9 springform pan, or similar size. Turn the base upside down, for ease of removal later. 2. Place a square sheet of baking paper on the base, then secure in springform pan. See video, with excess paper hanging out sides. 3. Grease sides with butter and line with paper. Biscuit base. 1. Blitz crackers into fine crumbs in a food processor. 2. Add butter and sugar, blitz until combined. Pour into prepared cake pan. Press down firmly, base only, not sides. Filling. 1. Put water in a heat-proof bowl. Sprinkle gelatin over surface, don't dump in center. Stir to partly dissolve. Set aside 5 minutes, it turns gelatinous. 2. Microwave 15 seconds on high X2, stirring in between. Stir until dissolved, few tiny specks okay. Cool 5 minutes. 3. Place mango in food processor. Blitz until smooth. 4. Measure out 3/4 cup and reserve for mango jelly, set aside. 5. Add cream cheese, cream, sugar and gelatin mixture into food processor, 2.5 liters/2.5 quarts/10 cup plus capacity. Note 3. Blitz for 30 seconds or so until smooth. 6. Pour into cake pan. Refrigerate 3+ hours until top is set. Mango jelly. 1. Pour water into bowl, sprinkle over gelatin. Leave 5+ minutes. Microwave on high 2 by 10 seconds, stir well until granules dissolved. Set aside 5 minutes to cool. 2. Place reserved mango puree, from step 4 under filling, and lemon in a bowl. Pour over gelatin and whisk well. 3. Pour over cheesecake filling. Tilt cake around to spread. 4. Refrigerate 12 hours plus. 5. Release pan sides, then use overhang paper to slide cheesecake onto serving plate. Then slide the paper out from under the cheesecake. Decorations. 1. Place cream, vanilla and sugar in a bowl. Whip until the cream is softly whipped. 2. Piled over the center of the cheesecake. 3. Top with more chopped mango and passion fruit pulp. Serve and relish in praises. Recipe notes. Any cream that can be whipped is fine to use here. There are some creams which are for pouring only. The top should say if the cream is for whipping. 1. You'll need 3 large mangoes for this recipe, 2 for the filling, jelly topping, and 1 for decorating. Or you can use 450 milliliters, 15 ounces mango puree. This is what 700 grams, 1.4 pounds fresh mango purees into. Volume pureed is less than the weight. I really like using honey gold mangoes for this because the flesh is a beautiful intense deep orange color and it's really sweet. But any mango will work, as long as it's ripe. Tip: Calypso mangoes, which are the most mass-produced, best value here in Australia, look beautiful on the outside but are the least mangoes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel name Khaled Zubair.